We're back with another amazing property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one is located in the area of Los Gonzales, which is in El Poblado. It's in an exclusive condo neighborhood. It's very high end and pretty expensive to live here, even if you're just renting the apartment. This apartment, as you can see, the elevator opens up into the apartment. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and this is the first half bath here. It's turnkey. You can move in right away. Everything works. Everything looks great. No need to remodel everything. If you're looking to do daily rentals or even monthly rentals, this is not your place because, again, this is an exclusive, private, gated community, and they only allow year-long contracts. So this is the first living room here with pretty nice views. Even though this is not the top floor, you still get enough of a view there where you can see the mountains and the skyline, which is really awesome. This is the next little living room area here that has a fireplace, which is not common in Colombia, but it's awesome because you are in the hills, so it does get cooler at night, especially, so you would be using this. This is the dining room area where you could put a dining table here. It's got a balcony and then the kitchen over here to the left. But first, let's look at this balcony. As you can see, the floors in the balcony and in the kitchen are different than the rest of the apartment because they were recently remodeled. And to be honest, if it were mine, I'd probably make all of the floors like that because those are the trending wood panel floors. And they're lighter, so it makes everything look bigger and brighter, which I do love. In my own apartments, I have these exact ones. This is the kitchen that was recently remodeled. I love the island with the stovetop and the vent up top, which is great. It's got an oven. It's got a dishwasher. We're gonna keep walking over here. If we were to go to the left, you'd see the maid's quarters, but I skipped that. I'm just gonna go over here to the pantry. The maid's quarter has its own full bath as well. This is the pantry, which is, again, something that is not common in Colombia because of space issues. Usually apartments, especially if they're smaller, you're not going to have this much space. Talking about space, we're going to turn to look at the rooms. But before that, let's look at this first closet, which, again, is a walk-in closet, a lot of storage space. You've got the water heater there, which is great. This one is 427 square meters, which in square feet is about 4,600 square feet. This is a little area where this is the area where the rooms are, and there's a little hallway going into the master that has a linen closet or just extra storage space because it's pretty big. This next area there for decoration or whatever, you could even remodel it to have more shelves. This is the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet, which is as big as some of the rooms in some of the apartments in Medellin. This is a very large walk-in closet. I would not be able to fill that, to be honest. I think most guys wouldn't, but maybe you would. Let me know in the comments. This is the master bathroom. Look at this. It's got the double sink. This was recently remodeled as well. You could tell because it's newer. What hasn't been recently remodeled is this jacuzzi in your bathroom, by the way. So everything's set up for you to replace it or use that one. That one's in perfect condition to use. This is the shower here. And we're going to walk over here to the next area, which is another amazing part about this apartment. Not the toilet. The toilet's new, but we're going to see here once we get out of this toilet area, we're going to hang a left here and go into the sauna/Turkish bath. You've got a sauna in your own apartment in your master bedroom. This is why it's so expensive and so exclusive, just because not many apartments, I think, in the world would even have that. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. It has its own balcony here that overlooks a different view as the living room areas, but it has that cat mesh, which obviously you could take down. We're going to walk back over to the rest of the apartment to look at the other rooms. Going through this hallway, and this area right here could even be used for something. You could probably put an office in here or whatever you want. But let's hang a left into the first or the second room here, which is also pretty large, easily fit a king-size bed in there. It has its own en-suite bathroom, full bathroom. It's got the shower. Actually, I think this shower is bigger than the one in the master, to be honest, and recently redone as well. Okay, we're going to go into this area here is kind of like a den slash, you could make it an office if you wanted to. It's not technically not a room. That's why we don't list it as a room. This is the next room, though, which also has its own in-suite bathroom. Right here, as you can see, pretty new stuff here. And this is the walk-in closet for this one, which is also very nice. I mean, you can't ask for more space than this, especially if you're a family and or you're a couple and you just want a big, spacious apartment. This would be it. Let's go into the next area here so that you could see the living room area again. I like how it's elevated there to distinguish the two. You can make that maybe like a movie room or a TV room, etc. But the elevator coming into your apartment is awesome. And it's very secure. This place has like top level security. Now let's go look at the outside, the common areas. As you go downstairs, you see that there's a lot of space, a lot of greenery. It's great for families. It's great for people that have pets because this area is always pretty much alone. There's nobody here, but it's obviously a gated community. And you've got the kids' playground there. You've got these walking paths, which are great. And it goes around the whole neighborhood. There are a couple of towers in this little gated community here, but it's very, very secure and it's very private. It even has a little creek running through here as well, which I think obviously it's man-made, probably with a pump pumping the water through it. But we're going to head over here to the pool area. And as we do that, let's go over the price. So this one is listed at 2.3 billion Colombian pesos, which in dollars is about 585,000 US dollars. The cost per square meters is $1,325 per square meter. If you've seen our videos on this channel, you know that that's very, very low. And there's a couple of reasons for that. Number one is because this is a larger unit. So the bigger the apartments, the lower the price per square meter. Number two is that it's older. So you might have to do some renovations. You might want to upgrade the floor, etc. And number three, they want to sell it quickly. So if you want to make an offer on this one, make sure to click the link in the description. It'll take you to a form. You fill it out and somebody on our team will get back to you. And if you want to see some more awesome apartments, click on this playlist right here.